Hi guys, I hope this finds you well. This video is about how to work with images in Microsoft Word. There's just a couple tips that might make your creating your instructions a lot easier. Two things that I'm going to go over is how to include captions easily and then also how to move images around. So the first thing, how to add captions. This is really simple, and so forgive me, I just had some, this is my son and I on a mountain coach and steamboat rings. And then I also included, this is called Lorem Ipsum. It's basically nonsense text that you can use to mimic regular text. And the benefit of using a lorem is that people are not distracted by the actual content of the words and they can focus, like in this case, on design and other elements. And so once you get your image in here, what you want to do is right click on the image and then go to insert caption. You'll see that you already have a choice between figure 1, it'll say figure 1. You can also call it equation, you can call it table. I'm just going to stick to figure 1. You could also go ahead and create your own label here. So if you wanted to call it image or graph or some other label. Then afterwards, I'm going to type my description of the image. Then I hit OK. And you'll see they put the figure directly under the image. This is really nice because you don't have to do a separate text box or anything differently. It makes it super duper easy. Then again, to repeat, I right click on my image, I go to insert caption, and you'll see it automatically numbers it as the second figure if you already have a figure in here. Again, I type my description of the image and then I hit OK. Once I've done that, and actually to be fair, you'll see I moved this and my caption moved. I recommend that you do all your captions at the very end because if you move the images, the captions move. So I'm going to delete my captions for the time being. So you'll notice all my images, all two of them, are all the way to the left hand margin. And if I try to move them around, they're fairly stuck. It does let me move them down a tiny bit, but it doesn't look that great with the text that I have. And so the way that you can fix that is click on your image, double click on your image, and then go to your text wrap. And so lots of different images. You'll see this behind text, of course, puts the image behind the text. If you put square, it will wrap the text around. Tight is similar, or perhaps you just want a top and bottom. And now you can move it this way or that. When you see the green line, it means I am perfectly centered. What you can also do is go to your to this position thing, and you can utilize this as well to help move it around. So same thing, this image is stuck, and so if I want to move it, I want to make sure that I have this format tab. If I am out of the picture, you'll see I have no format tab, so double click on the picture, go to wrap text, and I think I'll do top bottom, and I will move it to the center. So anyway, once I've done that, I'll go back in and add my caption. So right click on the image, go to insert caption, and follow that procedure. I hope this helps you as you begin developing your written instructions for the peer review next week. Please reach out if you have any questions.